guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl China Rice. I put a poll up on Instagram and you guys, like a while ago I actually just put up like a picture of my like vanity and people were like, ooh, give us a tour, give us a tour. So I am doing like beauty room tour. That's what we're gonna call it. We're gonna call it a beauty room tour. I'm just gonna show y'all like where ish goes down, I guess. Like, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to your girl's channel. We just hit 500 like not too long ago. I didn't even realize I hit 500, to be honest, until the other day when I looked at it. I was like, oh shit, halfway to 1,000. 1,000 is my goal because like that's when I can like start looking to monetize my ish and like get paid off of it for real. So help your girl out, hit that subscribe button, you feel me? Let's go. So this desk, I got it from Facebook Marketplace. It originally was almost $300. I got it on Facebook Marketplace for $170. And it was brand new. Like the girl just accidentally ordered two, so she just needed to get rid of one. So I love this desk. And it's an L shape. Used this side of the desk for like my workspace for like editing and things like that. So what I have is I have my money tree here. I love this. I'm not taking good care of him and he almost died on me. Like I had to put him in the sun some more and like water him. Like he was almost a goner. Books that I'm reading here, I like to keep them over here, just yeah. And I just like the display of it too. My MacBook, my phone. So then over here we have my makeup brushes. This is like a jewelry holder, but this is like a jewelry holder and I got it from TJ Maxx. It's like the mirrored vibe going on. This is just for display. It's some more makeup palettes. I put them in this like letter holder. I got it from Office Max. It was just a couple of dollars. So this is really just for like display purposes. I don't know, I just really liked how it went with like the black and white theme that I got going on. Here is where all the magic happens. I don't know if you guys can really see me because I know it's like gonna look a little weird with like the lighting shining at the camera, but this is where like I basically record my YouTube videos, and this is the setup. This is my lighting setup. I eventually want to get like those photography shadow box lights, you know what I'm talking about? Basically just softens everything and just provides like better lighting all in all. So I eventually do want to get those, but this is where I record. I just set my camera up like behind the desk and get it popping. This shelving compartment here basically holds like all of my makeup. On the top here I have some of my favorite setting sprays. Really they're like my only setting sprays, but whatever. This is the NYX Radiant Finish, the NYX Matte Finish, NYX, and the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. So I kind of just put these on top for just like decorational purposes, I guess. I'll just briefly go through what's in here. Like I'm not about to tell y'all everything because like I don't have time for that. That can be like another video. But don't mind this drawer. This just has like, I don't know, a bunch of these wig caps. It's just like random shit, like hair ties, hairpins. I got my bonnet in here. Some sewing yarn. Anyways, like this is just random. Storage. First storage, just like this like is all of my brushes and combs and crap. These are like primers. I got some makeup sponges in here. These are not organized, by the way, so don't even expect them to be organized. Like, no. I organize them the best way I could possibly organize them. Whatever. Anyways, so I got some like foundations here, some like primers, just like some skin prep items. Might not look like I have a lot of makeup, which honestly I don't. I had a lot of makeup, but I went through it and like threw out all the old stuff. So this is all like good non-expired stuff. So this drawer is really messy. I have like some hairpins here. These hairpins are from Tyler. They're actually, I just haven't had a chance to like wear them, use them. So I got like some sample stuff here, some concealers. I also have like my eyebrow stuff in here. I try to make it functional basically. So like if I do my eyebrows, like I'm gonna reach for concealer soon. Like my foundation's right here. After foundation, there's concealer. Like I don't know if that makes any type of sense. Now this drawer, heavy ass drawer. These are all of my eyeshadow palettes. I have lots and lots of eyeshadow palettes. I barely wear eyeshadow. I'm like an eyeshadow palette junkie. Like this is what I collect, eyeshadow palettes. So I have like some Juvia Place palettes, hanging in Hawaii, some more Juvia Place palettes, Makeup Revolution, Anastasia, Jackie Aina palette. I love this palette. And then I got some like more Makeup Revolution, some NYX palettes. Like I also put some like liners in here, some glitters, like anyways. So yep, that holds that. Powders, contour palettes, bronzers, that drawer. This is like highlighters or and like glitter shadows, basically like more glitter liners. So that's that drawer. These are all my eyelashes and like mascaras. I don't know why this is in here. And then this is all my lip products. So yeah, that's that. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I got this from Marshall's. And this is kind of where I store like all of my hair care. I really want to find, its twin. Its twin. Its twin, it has like, it's basically double the size of these. And there's, I believe there's 6. Yeah, I believe there's 6 like bigger drawers. And I eventually just want to like get rid of this because I don't really like that it's like under my desk. I kind of want my desk to be like completely open. I just have random stuff in here I'm not going to show you because it's extremely messy and you guys aren't about to judge me. But I got this from TJ Maxx maybe like 2 years ago. Super cute. It's just not what I really am looking for anymore, really. Like in this kind of setup, I kind of like this vibe better than this, but it does me good for now, so that's all that matters. And then here I just keep my MacBook bag, my computer bag. So that basically is like the desk portion. I'm gonna show you guys like over here and everything too, so let's get it. So over here, it's kind of like my closet, quote unquote closet. I try to make myself like a mini walk-in closet, right? And I mean, it just like, I feel like it just goes well with my desk and like the whole beauty room kind of aspect or vibe I'm going for. So that's why I did that. So yeah, this is basically like my little closet. I have 2 clothes racks. I got the clothes racks from IKEA. They were like $12, really inexpensive. So yeah, just the white clothes racks. I got some of my cuter heels lined up at the bottom here. I even have some everyday shoes on the back there, so they're easy to access when I get ready. Then I got my little full body mirror, so you know we can look at ourselves when we get dressed and stuff. So I got this mirror from Walmart. I've had this mirror since I moved in, so I've had this mirror since 2017, so I've had it for quite a long time. So this is like my favorite part just because I love plants. So I got my little aloe vera baby here. He's gotten so big. Like I've had him I've had him for less than a year, and he was just like a little baby. And now look at him, like he's leaning over, he's so heavy. And I feel like he shouldn't do that, like he shouldn't lean over. I feel like it puts stress on him. So if anybody like has any tips, or if maybe he needs like a bigger pot or something, like let me know. Cause I don't know, like he's leaning over and it makes me nervous. So yeah, that's my little aloe vera. And then this little long baby here, I have him hanging on my like window seal right now because as you can see here, I tried to hang him but it fell because he was too heavy, and I don't know, just I didn't get the right stuff for it. But he's just chilling. I need to get him up though because he's like not growing to his fullest potential. Another aloe vera plant here. He also started out as a baby. I also haven't had him that long. He's big as God. They're both just growing so much, so I must be doing something right. So here I just have some like cute handbags on display. Here is a whole vibe. My lucky bamboo plant. And then this plant, these two plants my mom gave to me from her house. So this one is in this cute little coffee cup. I love this. I think it's so cute, and it just reminds me of my mom. So it's like a little piece of home. Like this just reminds me of my mom and you know, like our house. So it's like just a little piece of home. I don't know the name of these plants, so I'm sorry, but yeah, those are my little plant babies as well. And then I have like my little crystals. I'm so mad because I burnt this on a sage that I had, and like I was just like, wow. Anyways, so I got my little crystals here as well. Guys, I think I've shown you everything. I feel like that was so quick. Okay guys, so that is basically it for my like vanity slash beauty room tour. Well, why do I not know how to name this video? Like obviously it's a beauty room tour. I think I told you guys where everything was, so if I forgot, I'm sorry. Just ask me down below and I'll respond and let you know. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love my beauty room. I know it's like not your typical kind of beauty room look, but I think it has like bits and pieces of my personality throughout it. Let's stop being cheesy and let's just get right onto it. Again, don't forget to subscribe to your girl's channel. Again, I'm really excited that I hit 500, and yeah, like it's just up from here, boo boo. Okay, it's just up from here. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one.